Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. Let's begin with the local news. The Ministry of Agriculture called on the public to conduct regular surveillance of migrating passenger and that of barnos or armyworm that could occur with the existing good rainfall season. Explaining of the prevalence of armyworm over 100 hectares of land in the central region in July, the ministry said that as a result of the rapid response taken by the pests has been put under control. The prevalence of pests in the village of Wakidaba and Adhamushta was put under control with strong participation of the residents, agricultural experts, as well as adequate supply of pesticides. Mr. Berhat Gile and Mr. Nardos Arayam, agricultural experts in the region, on their part said that they were well prepared with the manpower and pesticides, for they had received prior information from the Ministry of Agriculture's Early Warning Office. Likewise, according to the information released by the World Food and Agriculture Programme on 11 August, with the ample distribution of rainfall stretching from Mauritania to Eritrea, a favorable situation could be created for the prevalence of desert locusts. The Minister of Agriculture has hence called on the public, especially those that live in areas suspected for locust breeding areas, to sustainably conduct follow-up and surveillance and inform nearby agricultural offices in case of suspecting the occurrence of the pests. We have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 3 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at the testing station at the central region. On the other hand, 15 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospital in the central region have fully recovered and have been discharged from the facility. The total number of recovered patients has currently increased to 10,017, while the number of deaths stands at 103. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 10,149. Minister of Health, Asmara, August 19, 2022. And now back to international news after a short break. Welcome back. North Korea's Kim Yo-jong, the powerful sister of leader Kim Jong-un, has bluntly rejected a South Korean offer to help North Korea's economy if it gives up nuclear weapons. Kim's comment marked the first time a senior North Korean official has commented directly on what South Korea's President Yoon Suk-yeol has dubbed a daring plan, under which South Korea would offer phased economic aid to Pyongyang if it began denuclearization. Yoon reiterated the offer at a news conference to mark its 100 days in office. Experts say echoes proposal by previous South Korean presidents, including during the failed 2018-2019, and said there was little chance that Pyongyang would accept it. Powerful storms have battered areas of Central and Southern Europe, killing at least 12 people, including 3 children. The deaths, most from falling trees, were reported in Italy and Austria and on the French side island of Croatia. Heavy rain and winds wrecked campsites on the island, while in Venice, Italy, brickwork was blown off the Battle Tower of St. Mark's Basilica. The storms follow weeks of heat wave and drought across much of the continent. In Croatia, winds gust up to 224 kilometers per hour, uprooted trees and damaged mobile homes. Authorities there said a 13-year-old girl was killed by a fallen tree on a campsite. Interior Minister Gerald Dermani, who arrived in Croatia, said 20 people had been injured, 4 of them seriously injured. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.